Did you know that 78% of middle-class families are living paycheck to paycheck? Even with a stable job, most people are just one emergency away from financial disaster. But what if I told you there's a secret the rich understand that keeps them financially secure? If you don't want to stay stuck in the financial trap, keep watching, because today I'm revealing the middle-class money secrets you were never taught. Most people work hard their entire lives, yet never achieve real financial freedom. Why? Because the middle class follows a broken money system, one designed to keep them struggling while the rich keep winning. But don't worry, today we're breaking that cycle. In this video, I'll reveal the biggest financial traps keeping you stuck and, more importantly, how to escape them. Stay with me until the end, because these lessons could change your financial future forever. Let's talk about the biggest financial trap most middle-class families fall into: debt. Credit cards, car loans, mortgages. The system makes it so easy to borrow that most people don't even realize they're digging their own financial grave. And then there's the savings crisis. 78% of middle-class families live paycheck to paycheck with little or no money left for emergencies, investments, or retirement. They're told to get a good job, save a little, and somehow one day they'll be financially free. But that day never comes. Because the truth is, if you don't learn the right financial strategies, you'll spend your life working for money instead of making money work for you. So, how do you break free from this trap? Let's talk solutions. If you want to escape the financial struggles of the middle class, you need to follow a different set of rules: the wealthy playbook. First, pay yourself first. Before you spend a dime on bills or entertainment, set aside money for savings and investments. The rich don't save what's left. They save first and spend what's left. Make it automatic. Set up a system where a percentage of your income goes straight into a separate account the moment you get paid. Second, budget with purpose. Most people track expenses, but the rich assign every dollar a job. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. If you don't control your money will control you. Third, stop buying liabilities, things that drain your wallet, and start acquiring assets, things that make you money. A brand new car, it loses value the second you drive it off the lot. But a rental property, it pays you every month, even while you sleep. The middle class works for money. The wealthy make money work for them. Now, let's dive even deeper into the strategies that can change your financial future. Meet James. 5 years ago, he was drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and convinced that financial freedom was only for the rich. But everything changed when he learned one simple financial rule: money isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. He started by tracking his expenses and cutting unnecessary spending. That daily $5 coffee? Gone. Expensive car lease? Traded for a reliable used car. Then, instead of spending everything he made, he invested in assets. He bought his first rental property, then another. Slowly, his income from investments started covering his bills. Today, James doesn't worry about money. His money works for him. He quit his 9-to-5, and now he's financially free. James didn't win the lottery. He didn't have a high-paying job. He just followed the money secrets the wealthy already know. The question is, will you? So, let's recap. Track your spending, invest in assets, and let your money work for you. The middle class trap isn't about how much you make, it's about how you use it. The wealthy don't rely on a paycheck. They build income streams, and if James could do it, so can you. Hit like if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more money secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.